Hello, welcome dear student. Welcome to our computer class for class 3 with the continuation of chapter number 3, the one which we are doing Windows 7 accessories and gadgets. I hope you all watched these 3 classes previously. I have uploaded in YouTube. If you have any doubt, there you should comment here and I'll reply you and I'll clear it in next class also. So next two chapter is also very interesting one, that is MS Paint and MS Word 2010. Now let's continue with our class. I'm going to open this one from PDF file that I have uploaded in our Google Classroom. If you have your textbook, it's very good. You can access, you can read from your textbook, and if you don't have textbook also, you can check it out from here, the one which I have uploaded. Look here, let's summarize what we have learned in previous classes. That is, first one, we all know that Windows operating system has some accessories, gadgets, accessories, tools which are present inside it. For opening it, it's similar up to Windows 8, Windows 7. From 8, 19 and all, it's a little bit different from the one which they have mentioned here in your textbook. So this is mainly for Windows 7. Here also I think they have written here, look here, desktop gadget gallery in Windows 7 and the various gadgets present in it. So mainly they are focusing on Windows 7. So right, the one which I am demonstrating here or I'm teaching you is from Windows 8. So here the start button is not present there, and a little bit accessories, the way they used to open is a little bit different, but I'm going to follow from your textbook, that is Windows 7. So let's see, the first one that we have done is calculator. After that, notepad we have learned. Paint also, a little bit more about paint we have learned, but we are going to learn very much in detail in next class or next chapter. And next one is sound recorder and wordpad. Wordpad we have already learned, and now the one which we are going to do is sound recorder. What is this gadgets or accessories which is available in Windows, and how we are going to operate it, and how is it useful to us? Now let's see. This paint we have already done. I'm going to revise a little bit. Look here, keep pressing this Window plus R, run command, and if you forget also, you can check here from here, P brush. You have to type this P brush here. If you after opening this, when you type this and click OK, it'll open MS Paint. This is shortcut for opening MS Paint. I'm just revising it, and we have already done this one. Now the next one is sound recorder. This is very much similar to that of WordPad and all. How we are going to open it, the opening style is same. Start, you have to click on the start button. After that, all programs. After that, you have to go to accessories, and a menu will appear, and there are some tools also present there, and we have to select from there sound recorder. After clicking on that one sound recorder, a pop-up window will appear in your desktop like this. This is the one. Let me open from my computer. Look here, sound recorder. Look, this is very much similar to that of your textbook. Look here, the one which I have opened here, same thing. So in Windows 8 also, in others also, it's same. In Windows 7 also, look here, this is for start and stop recording, and this is for timer, the one which I am recording. it's going to be recorded and the time is going to be mentioned here. This is called title bar. We all know that this is title bar, the one which cross button, minimize, maximize, present, and this is help. If you need any help about this, and you can ask here. Look here. When I press this help button, look here, Windows 8, all the detail about the Windows 8 mentioned here. Now, look here, how to record the sound. Why we need to record our sound in computer? Why we need to record sound? Recording sound. Why is it important? Look here, if somebody comes to your home and is very good in singing, so you want to listen his song later on also, so you can record his song in your computer and you can listen it later on also, like that. If you want to record something when someone is speaking, then you can record by using this software and you can listen to that again repeatedly after later on. I'm going to tell you again, you can record if someone is speaking or someone is dog is barking, or it may be any sound. You can record it by using your computer in Windows operating system, that is by using this sound recorder software, the one which you have uploaded or already included in Windows operating system. This sound recorder software is not required, you don't need to install this one, it's already pre-installed in Windows operating system. You don't need to install separately. Like I'm going to tell you again, this one, games and all, the one which you used to play a famous game, some such as like Call of Duty, Need for Speed and all, Crisis and all. There are other games also, GTA 5 and all. These games are not included when we install Windows operating system. I'm going to tell you again, all these games in the computer, the one we used to play at PlayStation, this one, Internet Cafe and all. These are, we have to install it. So not like that. This sound recorder, it's already installed in our computer when we install Windows operating system. So we don't need to uh, install it separately. So how, as we have already discussed, like for recording any sound, if I want to listen it later on, then I can use this sound recorder and I can record it. It may be song, or it may be someone speaking about a topic, or it may be a lecturer, like the one which I used to record right now. While I'm teaching, I'm recording and I'm uploading in YouTube so that you can listen or you can watch it later on at your free time, like that. It's very useful, the sound recorder software. So how to record it? How to record by using this sound recorder software. Now, look, I have opened this sound recorder software. If I want to record it, I have to press this start recording. After pressing this one, let's try. Let's try to record a sound. The one which I am speaking right now also. I'm recording by using a different software like this one. This is my recording software. This is another different one. The one which I'm not using this computer pre-installed software. I'm using this software for recording or for our YouTube class. This is the one. It's recording. Now let's record it. I'm going to press this one. Before recording anything, open this software, keep it there, and it's going to record only the sound, not video or anything. This one, the one which I'm using, it's recording whole computer screen. So that's the difference. That's why I'm using this one. And make sure that your mic is working properly. If it is a laptop, then make sure that the microphone inside it, inbuilt microphone, is working properly. And if it is a desktop, then make sure you connect mic with your computer. So for mic, should be connected with your desktop, and for laptop and all, it's a pre-installed mic is there in laptop, so make sure it works properly. And for better result, Make sure the speaker or the sound, if it is closer to that speaker, the microphone, it's better the sound quality. We can listen it louder. Now let's start. Press on this one for recording. Now it's recording. It's started. This is the timer. You can check it out from here also. This is the timer. The time while recording the sound is going to mention over here, and this is title bar, close button, help, and all. We have already seen this one. Now it's been 18 seconds. It's still recording. So if I want to end my recording, we're going to see if I want to end my recording when someone is singing at your home, or someone is giving a lecture, or someone is speaking a very important topic article about it. So you can record it at home by using this software, and after finishing recording you can stop this recording. Stop recording, you have to press this one. Now I'm going to demonstrate it. Press this one. After pressing this one, a sound file is going to be there. Windows sound file, audio file, .wma. Don't just leave it. Just auto select this one and give your where you want to save the file. I have already told you before also, when you are trying to save, don't save in C drive, save in other drive format. So now for demonstration, I am going to save it in desktop so that we can see clearly in desktop. So DEMO, demo, I'm going to just name it as demo. The sound that we have recorded while I was speaking or teaching your class. So demo audio. Look here. You have to select destination of your file where you want to save. You have to select destination. I have already told you that don't save in C drives, save in other drive, so that if the computer doesn't work also, your important file will be there. So save it. Now this is the file, demo audio. Now let's try to listen. It will open in a media player. Now we are hearing from a speaker. Can you listen properly? It has 50 seconds, and now our time limit is going to end. Recording is going to end. Now for opening this file, you can open it in VLC or any other media player. Like this, you can record a sound at your home. So this is the file. You can put this in your mobile phone, or you can just share it to another friend in WhatsApp and all everything. So like this, you can record a sound by using this sound recorder. It's very important and very useful. So if you use a headset or a headphone with a small pair of loudspeaker, this microphone with a headphone, it's very much useful while recording a sound, while speaking someone or giving lecture like that. If you use that one, okay, let me open and show you. Look, the one he is used to, he is wearing like this microphone with the headset. This one, this is the object. So this is like a hairband, fits on your head like a hairband. Combination with the microphone and the headphones inside it. This is the microphone and this is the headphone. You can listen it to here, and this is while recording or while speaking, it's going to record it from here. So if you use this type of device, then it will be more clear while recording your sound. So you can do this one. Which output device can you use to listen to your voice that has recorded in your computer? Oh, look here. While recording this one thing is there that after recording, if your computer is not connected with the speaker, what will happen? You cannot listen to your sound, the one which we have already recorded. I'm going to tell you again. If your computer is not connected with the speaker, that laptop has inbuilt speaker, so that check that the speaker is working fine. And if it is a desktop, then make sure the computer is connected with the speaker so that you can listen to the sound, the one which you have just recorded. I'm going to close this one. You can do this one. Write a step to open programs from Windows accessories. Also, you can select do this one. Very easy. Now we are going to do is desktop gadgets gallery. Some desktop gadgets are available in Windows 7. Uh, it's very sad that I'm using Windows 8. You must have already seen while opening that sound recorder. So I cannot show you this Windows 7 gadgets over here in my demonstration. I'm going to check it from here, just from the textbook. The one which I have mentioned mic during this recording, mic is that microphone which attached with the laptop, or it may be desktop. Mic means microphone. Now let's go to our gadgets. These are the gadgets. Look here, you can see the icons over here. If someone is using Windows 7, then you can practice this one. These are desktop gadgets. Calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather. Now, these features is available in Windows 7. It's a group of virtual gadgets that can be placed on a desktop wallpaper. They created a different and unique look of your desktop and at the same time carry out some basic functions. Now look here. Right, it's a different thing. You can insert this one according to your choice in your desktop. What is the desktop? When you turn on the computer, the first screen appear on the computer is called desktop. You can customize your own desktop. Means the desktop, the one which you are using at your home personally, not at a school or any other public places. You can customize, you can make your own choice what you want to add in your desktop. If you want to add clock over there, the clock gadget, you can add it over there. You want to add calendar, you can add it over there. So with your choice, you can customize your own gadgets. So it gives a different look from one computer to another if you customize your own gadgets in the desktop. Some of the gadgets in these are the gadgets that we have already mentioned: slideshow, weather, media player, and all. So let's see how to open this gadget gallery. Start all programs and desktop gadgets gallery. Same thing as the one which you open sound recorder, notepad, wordpad, and all. We have to click on start button, all programs, and desktop gadget gallery. You can click on this one and it will open our desktop gadget gallery menu window. Now another way to open this desktop gadget is right click on the blank space area of a desktop and you can click on the direct menu gadgets. From the menu appear that one. Look here, this is the desktop. Let's say this is desktop and must be of Windows 7. Here it will not appear. From Windows 7 desktop, just right click in this free space area. Just right click like this in free space area and there will be an option called gadgets. Here it won't be available. I've already told you again and again, like we are not using Windows 7 here for demonstration. That's why the gadgets is not available here. If you are, I'm going to delete this one. If you are using Windows 7, it will appear there when you click anywhere in the free space area of the desktop. It will appear here gadgets. So in that gadget you have to click on that one and it will appear this same process, desktop gadget gallery. It will open this one. This is the desktop gadget gallery. It will open this one. So here you will go to that menu, desktop gallery gadget. Double click on any gadget in the desktop gallery. It will add it to your desktop. So if you want to customize, I've already told you that you can customize your own desktop. So if you want to add any of the gadgets over here in that gallery here, clock, maybe calendar, CPU meter, currency, feeding headlines, means you can see what's the news headline over here, puzzle pictures and all, and weather means weather forecasting and all. It should be internet connected. For this we are going to discuss later on. So like this, for this purpose you have to be, your computer should be connected with the internet. So directly double clicking, by double clicking on the gadgets, it will add it to your desktop. It will add it in your desktop by double clicking on the, like this. If you double click on this calendar, it will add it automatically in your desktop here. It will appear out here. So the first one is calendar. You can double click on this calendar gadget. It will appear in your desktop. It will be able to see the current date and time, month, year on it. Not time, date, month and year on it. You can see the entire month by double clicking on the calendar gadget once. Look again, if you double click on that one, you can see the entire month like this. Look here, like this. If you click on this orange color one, you can see only today's date, and again double clicking on the calendar again, you can see the whole entire month calendar. For clock, everyone knows, know how to see clock, how much time. We all know that in notification area in your desktop there is clock in your computer, but if you want this clock gadget in your desktop, then you can add this clock gadget by clicking on the, double click on that clock gadget, and it will show this current date and time in the desktop. Next is CPU meter. CPU meter inform you about the free and use space of your computer hard disk, and also inform you about the percentage of memory being used at the time. So it's just like a driving, when you drive very fast, speedometer goes up, and if you drive very slow, it goes down. Like that, the memory consumption of the computer, RAM consumption of the computer, random access memory of consumption of the computer, it's going to show it out here. So we'll not go deep into that, how much they are going to consume it. And next one is weather gadgets. After this one, weather gadgets and all, it required internet connection to see what is the weather out here in our place. By clicking on, double clicking on this one also, it's same thing. You can add a weather gadget over there in your desktop, but for this one internet connection is required, so that it shows the accurate temperature and weather about your city to show it. Fit headlines means news channel. You're going to see the news headline over here, so this also required, it may be national or international news. This also required internet connection to see the current news headlines. And this is a puzzle board. When you get bored using your computer, you can play this one. All the pictures will be randomly placed somewhere, and you can I think you know this one, how to play during this one, by moving the grid, or what to say, the rectangle or square box. By moving here and there, you have to place and form the proper image which is over here. So like this picture puzzle gadgets you can play while you are bored using your computer. And Windows Media Center, you can play songs, or you can play video songs, or maybe MP3 song over here in Windows Media Player. And pictures also you can display over here by using this Windows Media Player, Windows Media Center. Look here, this gadget play music safe in your computer. It should be safe in your hard disk, and you can play it while working over here, and you can access it very easily. And it also display pictures saved in your picture folder which we have in our C drive. That is C drive, there is a picture folder under the username. You can show it over here. And currency, we all know that every country has a different currency. Not all, up to, like the one which we use for India, rupees, and for US, like US dollar and all. So how much currency difference is there, you can easily convert and see the difference between the two different currency over here by using this currency gadget. You can for this one, to get the required or accurate result, internet connection is required. And slideshow, the one which you have pictures inside your computer, you can show it over here in slideshow. You can select the pictures, the one which you want to show in the slideshow, and play it while using your computer. Here, I think this in our class. So look here, the slideshow gadget here from here. Easily convert the currency of one country to another country. For instance, you can find equivalent of 01 rupee to dollar. So how many rupees, 100 rupees is equal to US dollar? You can check it out here without searching in Google also. You can directly put it over there and you can see the result. And that's why we need an internet connection for this one, for conversion and all. You can change the country, this one, dollar and all, maybe other country also. You can change this one. There are some country which has same currency also. For that one, you can just click on that down arrow and select the list of countries where you want to compare with India or different countries. So look here, slideshow gadget will continuously show the pictures, the one which you have in your computer, and move the mouse over the slideshow gadget and use the tool at the bottom of the gadget. Click on the option button here, the setting button. In the resulting of the slideshow dialog box, select the picture folder included in the slideshow or modify the number of seconds displaying each slideshow transition effect to use between the slide. Look here, slideshow means the pictures that you have selected is going to show it again and again, again and again, with a particular time which you have mentioned over here, particular second it may be. So you can modify this second, or it may be in time. You can modify this time and the transition effect from moving one picture to another. Also you can change it over here in setting over here in slideshow gadget. And you can change the pictures also, and you can select the pictures also. Here comes the end of our chapter. We will do a test after this one. So here are some exercise. Which of the following is not part of the Windows accessories? MS Word. MS Word we have to edit. We'll learn later on in chapters. MS Word chapter. Word pad pen is already included. The one while teaching, that's why I am this one. I told you like this WordPad and pen and all. You don't need to install it separately. It's already pre-installed. Pre-installed means when we install Windows operating system, it's included in that one. Like that, here are some exercises. If you have your textbook, you can note it down. If you don't have your textbook, you can write it down in your computer notebook. Here I have mentioned to tell the date, time, date, month, and year should be calendar gadget. Tell about weather and temperature. It should be weather gadget like this. This is matches the following, and this is correct, true and false. You can do this one. Here ends of our chapter number 3. You can find it in your textbook. You can find it here in PDF form, chapter number 3. Thanks for watching.